Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from LENOVO Tab Extreme. So let's start from opening the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again free credits banner, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this photo. Select it and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to the document or the picture. If you already click on the arrow icon, and now you can choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon, choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. After that, just click on this button, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.